Hello Internet, this is Minus from How and Why, and today we're going to see a tutorial on how to remove background from images on PowerPoint. Either you want to use it for a professional presentation or just have fun or make wallpapers for your PC, this tool comes very handy. From this point on, you won't have to purchase Photoshop if you don't have it, or change between softwares if you have it actually, and exporting the image and then importing to PowerPoint. No. This will all end here. With no further delays, let's get into it. Today I want to make a fun wallpaper with Grogu from Star Wars hanging around with the crew from USS Enterprise from Star Trek. So the first step is to get a picture from Star Trek. I have already copied an image on the clipboard and pasted with Ctrl+V onto the slide. Now, as you can see, this image is not the same dimensions as the slide. So I won't get too technical here. We have to crop it to get a 16:9 aspect ratio. We'll go to crop, aspect ratio, and choose 16:9. This will automatically crop it in the way we want, and you can drag it up or down to center it the way you want. After we're finished, we press Escape. Now we have to match the image size with the slide size. So, the easiest way to do that is to drag the image on the top left of the slide and then resize it to the bottom right. After we do that, we create another slide. Okay, we want to delete these things. Ctrl+A and press delete. And then we go to Google Image Search to find Grogu. We go to Images and select the best for our example. Okay, I like this one. Baby Yoda drinking his soup. Alright, so I will press right click, copy image, go to my PowerPoint presentation and press paste. So now the magic begins. Go to the ribbon on the top of your screen, select Picture Tools, Picture Format, and then select the most left tool, which is called Remove Background. This tool has a predefined size of the selection. So what it does is to automatically select what is in the foreground and the background, erase the background and give you the rest. But this result is not satisfying our needs. We need to resize the selection and make sure that the whole of the body of Baby Yoda is in the image, in the selection. This will make the algorithm choose what is useful and what is not. So our result is not satisfying as well, so we have to go to the tools on the top left of the screen, press on the mark areas to keep. This will select some points after you click on them, find their neighbors with the same pixel values and keep them. Add as many points as you want. There is no limit to that, and the more the merrier in general. So what I do is to add points on the edge of the image I want to keep. Okay, we're done. But if you're not, because the algorithm doesn't understand what you want to keep and what you want, you can go to the other tool, which is called Mark Areas to Remove, and then add points to the areas you want to erase. You see, the purple background, the purple part of the image, is what will be deleted. And if by mistake you added a point you don't want, you can go to the delete mark and then press on the point you want to delete. If you're satisfied with the result, you can either press Escape or press Keep Changes. If you're not, you can press Discard all changes and start over the beginning. Now let's crop this image a little bit more, cut it, and paste it on the background image on Star Trek. Okay, I resize him to match the real size of Grogu. Okay, this doesn't work, I want to make something else. I will make Grogu photobombing the Starfleet. So I will change position, resize him, and yeah, this will look awesome. The cameras are not made to focus on multiple things in different distances, so when you photobomb someone, something will be blurred. In the case the photobomber is clear, then the background will be blurred, so we want to add this effect to make it more real, more natural. So I will select my background image, go to Picture Format, Artistic Effects, and add the blur effect. Okay, this looks awesome. I will resize Grogu once more. Yeah, this is what I wanted. Okay, now we're done. We go to File, Save As, select your desired directory, select your desired name, and once you find the folder, you have to change the file type, because By default, when you press Save As, PowerPoint saves PPT files. But we want to save an image, so we have to select from the image menu. You can either select GIF, JPEG, PNG or TIFF. I will stick with PNG, the portable network graphic format, press Save, OK. So at this point, PowerPoint lets you choose whether you want to save only one slide, the slide you have selected on the menu, or you want to save all slides. For my example, I want to save just this one, so press Save, go to the image menu. Oh gosh, I love it. It looks hilarious. This is my new favorite wallpaper. If you have any suggestions on what to make in the next tutorial videos, please let me know down in the comment section. If you enjoyed this tutorial, you can press a like or subscribe to my channel for more. My plan is to upload every week 2 tutorial videos for Excel, PowerPoint and Word, so stay tuned for more.